How to use AirPhysio. AirPhysio combines deep breathing with oscillating positive expiratory pressure, or OPEP therapy. Start by sitting down in a chair with your back straight and your neck extended. Take a deep breath and hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. Place the AirPhysio in your mouth. Lift the clear cap toward the ceiling or sky. Blow into the device for 3 to 5 seconds with a consistent and relaxed breathing. Do not try to blow too hard, trying to lift the ball bearing first breath. Use the device up to 5 minutes, 1 to 2 times per minute. The aim is to use the device 10 times in total, either 1 to 2 times per minute for 5 minutes, or if you feel short of breath or lightheaded, use the device once per minute over 10 minutes with deep breathing in between. How not to use AirPhysio. Do not try to blow too hard and fast. The aim is to have the ball bearing lift just off the cone, creating an oscillation. If you blow all of the air out of your lungs straight away or try and force the ball bearing too high to reach the top of the cap, then you could strain your lung muscles and the device won't work properly. If you are unable to lift the ball bearing in the first few goes, this is still fine. You're still creating the positive expiratory pressure in the lungs, which will start the mucociliary escalator working and will help to start the clearance process. This should help you to breathe easier and expand your lungs, working towards giving you enough lung function to help lift the ball bearing when they are working better. Persistence is the key.